What do Lance Bass, Aaron Rodgers, and Josh Allen all have in common? Well, they all invested in a brand called Hydrant. It's a hydration wellness company. Essentially, they make these packets that have electrolytes in it that you drop into a water or your beverage of choice, and it's supposed to help you get hydrated. And I want to tell you guys how we've actually worked with them and some of the biggest changes that we've seen in regards to their email marketing program. First, I think it's important to know how people actually purchase it. They can either purchase it as a one-off purchase, or they can actually subscribe to get the product ongoing and save some money. So what we basically do is post-purchase, once someone buys for the very first time, we then put them into this what's called a replenishment reminder. And essentially different brands have a different cadence of how frequently someone will run out or how frequently someone will purchase. And once they make that second order, we then want to focus on getting them into the subscription. That was kind of number one. Number two is after people cancel, we basically set up an automation that will send people emails based off their cancellation reason. We also spent a lot of time on the campaign and segmentation side of things. We increased the frequency and we diversified the content buckets that we hit. Essentially what we did is we introduced kind of variety into the mix. So things like new product launches, emails about their team, different types of playlists, different types of newsletters, really peeling back the layer of what's happening internally. So that way folks that are subscribers or customers really can kind of build that bond with that brand. So those are some of the things that we did to take them from, $10,000, $20,000 a month in email revenue to 6 figures per month in email revenue.